I'm a little nervous. 1,500 miles straight north in some of the most rural country known to man. That's where I'm gonna be doing the bun burner. And a hell of a lot of moose to watch for. This is what I'm taking. I'm taking a jump pack. I'm taking the axe with the fire starter. Jumper cables, just in case the bike dies. Air pump, portable. Chem light. Tool pack. Tire plug kit. Portable seat. Gloves. Heated. Emergency kit. Rain gear. Heated jacket, Kevlar jeans, 2 t-shirts, extra drawers, extra socks, thermos, snacks, food, water. That's it. That's all I'm taking. And why am I taking this? Because we're literally going to be in the middle of nowhere, around nobody. Border of Canada, leaving New Jersey, going straight to Lake Erie, cutting across. I'll show you guys a picture right here. Cutting across the United States, going east from Lake Erie, cutting across New York. As soon as we hit Lake Ontario, going up, hitting the Canadian border, going east, we're gonna be crossing Lake Champlain, which is basically a gigantic monster of a lake. Makes Lake George look tiny. We're gonna be crossing Lake Champlain, basically by the border of United States and Canada. We're gonna be crossing it there. So much history, absolutely amazing. Check this out.
Historic Lake Champlain divides New York State and Vermont for much of its 120-mile length from the Canadian border south. This video will look at northern Lake Champlain, from the Crown Point Bridge to the Canadian border. Lake Champlain is bordered on the west side by the 6 million acre Adirondack Park. Lake Champlain is drained northward by the 106-mile long Richelieu River into the St. Lawrence River, downstream and east of Montreal. Outlet waters from the 32-mile long Lake George drain into Lake Champlain. In the last 500 million years, the Champlain Valley has been covered by a warm shallow sea, a mile-high ice sheet, a large glacial lake, and an arm of the Atlantic Ocean seen here. Approaching Crown Point Bridge, we see the fort built by the French in 1730, but captured and rebuilt by the British in 1759. The Green Mountain Boys captured the fort in 1775 and transported 29 cannons to Boston for the defense of Boston Harbor during the War of Independence from Britain. The Champlain Hills on the west side of the lake have remarkable biodiversity. They are the richest forest and ledge communities in northern New York, with the most ecologically specialized species and more rare plants than any other Adirondack plant community. 20,000 10,000 years ago under ice a mile deep, and after warming some 13,000 years ago, when the ice retreated, the area was depressed from the weight of the ice, allowing marine waters to flow into the St. Lawrence estuary and flood much of the Champlain area with seawater, creating an arm of the Atlantic Ocean called the Champlain Sea. About 10,000 years ago, the land gradually rebounded and cut off the supply of salt water and slowly became freshwater Lake Champlain again. Marine fossils and beluga whale bones can be found here, especially on or near Isle La Motte.
And then after we cross, we're going to be going into Vermont. We're going to be crossing another portion of Lake Champlain, I believe it is. Then we're going to be going to Colebrook, New Hampshire. From there, I believe I'm going to call it a night. Going to be waking up 4 a.m., sleep for a couple hours, probably going to be heading out anywhere between 4 and 5 a.m. the next day. We're going to be heading straight to Bangor, Maine. Last time I was in Bangor, Maine was probably over 25 years ago when I was in the military. I was in the United States Air Force. We flew in. I was actually a crew chief on KC-10 air refuelers. So what we did was we refueled fighter jets and obviously big aircraft. And that's the last time I was there in Bangor, Maine. And let me tell you guys, is in the middle of nowhere. Nighttime, beautiful. Hopefully we get lucky. I want to be able to record the Northern Lights for you guys. Last time I was in Bangor, I seen it and it's absolutely amazing. So not only do we have to watch out for deer, we got to watch out for something much bigger, moose. So we have to be careful of that as well. If I get a flat, if the bike breaks down, anything happen that far north and that rural of an area, big problems. So that's why I'm bringing the stuff you see. Something really quick, guys, because this is going to be basically the last video that I post until I get back. It could be probably for a week. The Street Bob giveaway 114, I'm making it half the price of what it was. Why? I'll tell you why. Because a lot of people want to get in on it and I might have put the price point a little too high, so it's half of what it was now. But don't worry, anybody that already entered, you're getting double entries. Anybody that's interested, www.cycle-fanatix.com. Get yourself entered to win this bike. It's absolutely beautiful. Hopefully a lot more people have the chance to get in on this beautiful giveaway. Good luck to everyone. All right, guys, listen, thanks for watching. I really, truly love every single one of you guys. I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. Do me a favor, because like I said, I will not probably be putting out a video until the next weekend at least, because I'm sure I'm going to have a lot of footage. It's going to take me some time to edit. So stay tuned also on Instagram or TikTok, guys, because I'll be posting a lot of pictures. I'll also probably be going live as long as there is cell phone coverage. So stay tuned to those platforms. So peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna pack the rest of the bike up right now and we will see you guys in about a week. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.